Solid perfume. I don't know how many of y'all have heard about this. Solid perfume is an easier way of taking your favorite perfume along with you wherever you go. The benefit of solid perfume is that it moisturizes your skin. At the same time, it does not evaporate that easily from your skin. It adds more life to the perfume that you love, and additional advantage is you can get a little less of a damage from the chemicals used in perfumes. Today I'll be showing you how to make these solid perfumes that you can take along. Yes, of course, in the market you get these refill packs that you can take along with you. You can carry it in your purse, you can put it in your pocket, and you're good to go. However, solid perfume is something that you'll apply on your skin and it will not get off that easily. Let me show you how it is done. And for those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that y'all do not miss out on any updates that I post on my channel. You all will require your favorite perfume, Vaseline, an empty container, plastic spoon, metal spoon, and a lit candle. So let's begin. Scoop out a little Vaseline and put it on the metal spoon in this way. Ensure that you open the plastic container which you will be using later on. Now heat this up under the candle flame. This will melt very easily, so you all need not worry that it will take time. Once it's melted, please mind your fingers and pour this into the container. Thereafter, taking your favorite perfume, pump a few sprays on this melted Vaseline in this way and keep it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. And now you have your Vaseline mixed with your favorite perfume. You can apply this Vaseline on your hand. Usually it is to be done here on this area or underneath your ear so that the fragrance will last for longer. Cool hack, wasn't that? Let me know in the comments section if you liked it or not and if you all will be trying this at your end. Friends, if you all have any suggestions or requests, or even if you all have any hacks which you all want to share through my channel, please do send me an email or get in touch with me on my social media sites and mention your name so that I can specify it whenever I post the video. That's all, friends, on today's episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.